Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how to achieve this hairstyle from the comfort of your home. If you're new here, kindly make sure you subscribe and join the gang. Let's grow together. If you're a returning subscriber, you, my friend, are my favorite person and you do not know that yet, thank you for the continued support. Hi guys, so today we'll be styling this hair using Abuja braids, some gel and a moisturizer. So this is how the hair looks as we begin. As you can see, it's a bit wet. I've added some water to the hair, and then I'll go in with the pink lotion. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so I'm going to put a sufficient amount of that. Got to apply it inside the hair and also on the sides. And then today we'll be trying this gel by Bamsi. I got this 250 grams one from Best Lady at Kenyan shillings 240. It's black.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Brushed the hair off camera and decided I no longer want that mid part. Let's try something different today. And then because I want a firm grip on the hair, I'll be using this shoelace. Shoelaces never disappoint. Sisi watu wa forehead, we really struggle with the mid part thingy. Like I can't seem to find a way of making that work. So you slide it slowly as you adjust, and then don't make it too tight because you don't want to start losing your edges, especially for me who has a forehead. Those little remaining edges are very important. I protect them with my life. So adjust as you slide the shoelace.
Drumming on the beat. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I sell them my devotion and so on my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I find a rainbow in the shade, the steadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said,
So this is how it looks so far. Sorry, I just hit my ring light. That's how it looks. And because once I install the extension, I don't want this hair to show, I'm going to braid it so that it doesn't pop. And then of course we lay these edges. We got to lay the edges, especially with this humongous forehead of mine. So I don't know what style of laying edges works for you, but this does the job for me.
Don't you cry, baby, even if it's small and tiny. Don't you cry, baby, even if it's small as shit. Because I have chips and fries. They'll never taste so good without you. Not enough for two, but I will make.
So I'll leave this on for about 20 minutes so that the hair can lay down particularly well. So this is 20 minutes later. I went to do some dishes. Let's see how the hair looks like now. Wow, this is how it looks. So I think I'll have to secure that one. I've pulled too hard. Let's just fix that before we move on. Yep. So now we go to the extension. So the extension for today is this Avis long. It's color number 2. Sorry, color number 33. I figured I should get this because my hair is brown in color. I don't have black hair, so I didn't want much distinction between my hair and the extension that I use. What I'll do is I'll put this here. Then I will leave this one out for coverage. We don't want the bands and whatnot to be seen. And then I don't want to leave it out because it gets tangled really fast. Remember, this is not an extension, it's just a braid that we've improvised. Start with this one. So this is the final product. Let me just turn around so you can see the back and the side. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Kindly make sure you subscribe, hit a like on this video, and leave a comment down below. More engagement spreads out this video to more viewers. Thank you so much, and until next time,